For hours of fun play, the Metro Railway Set from BRIO. Push your metro train along the railway track. As the train begins movement, its front lights will turn on and the engine will start up. When bringing your metro train to a halt, the engine will wind down and the lights will turn off. Whilst on your adventure, pull the train through the metro tunnel and look through the tunnel hole as the train passes. You can see the light inside as it goes by. When pulling into the metro station, you will see your BRIO figures reading the metro map, holding their travel suitcases or even buying tickets for their next destination. Metro station doors can be opened just like a real metro stop. Simply turn the crank on the top. Watch your passengers enter the train's carriage as the posable figures get comfortable. Use the track switch to connect this set onto any BRIO railway set to expand the BRIO train world. All tracks are made in high-quality European beech wood.